Welcome back, everyone. Just wanted to show you some tips and tricks today for programming and editing. When you're programming, you can either use the Teach button or drag the icons up to your timeline to create your program. Sometimes you may need to delete an icon, and you can simply do that by grabbing it and dragging it off the screen. But let's say I wanted to delete multiple items. I could press and hold. We'll get rid of these icons here in the middle. And now I go back and highlight how far back I want to go and hit the delete button, and it deletes all of those icons. I can hit undo here and it brings them all back. If I want to delete everything in this program, press and hold, go to the beginning, notice how they're all highlighted, hit delete, and my program is gone. So just a little time-saving trick I thought I'd share.